how to fix Valorant. Please restart client problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click on Valorant properties. Now click compatibility and then change settings for all users. Now make sure to enable those two options, apply and OK again, and that's it. Then type here update, and here we'll find Windows Update. Now install all the updates that you can find here, and after that open Task Manager. Just type here Task Manager and click on it, and then once you're here, scroll down, and if you find any Valorant or Riot Games process ended, any Valorant or Riot Games icon, and if you find it, just right click and click in task, and that's it. And after that, all you need to do just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And see you in the next video.